Stop doing this if you want to succeed seriously. Most beginners waste months creating dozens of products that never sells. But what if I told you that I made $10,000 from just one digital product? No paid ads, no big list, and no complicated funnels. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact strategy I used step by step so you can avoid common traps and start seeing real results with digital products. Keep watching until the end so that you don't miss any step, and click the first link in the description below to get a free training on how you can start selling digital products and make $5,000 or up to $10,000 a month with these simple strategies. Alright, the first thing which I want to show you here, I have earned $10,000. The first step we are going to do here, we are going to get a product which is a digital product. I highly recommend we use Digital24 or ClickBank. Come here on Digital24. If you don't have an account, make sure to create an account. It is easy. It takes like 1 to 2 minutes to create an account and you will be approved immediately. You submit your account, you will get approved. So you will come here where it says products, we'll come here where it says marketplace, and you will scroll down here and come this side here and click where there is here digital products. Click there, and what we are going to do here, we are going to scroll down. All of these are digital products, but we need digital products based on the make money online. So come here and click here, online marketing and e-business. Click there. So we are going to choose a product here. This product here is going to be paying you $800, roughly $900 if you promote this product. And if you promote this product here, you are going to be paid $500. At the same product here, you are going to be paid still $500 or like $600. And all of these are digital products. And here, if you try to promote this millionaire secret, you will get paid $13, but this product here you get paid $15. We don't want to promote obviously this product with low amount of money. We need to promote the product like this, which will pay us $900. And don't worry, I'm going to show you the exact way and the strategies you can use so that you can make a lot of commission promoting only one single product. The reason why I don't like promoting this product of $6 or maybe $15 or $20, yes, you can make a lot of money, but you need to have a lot of clients or many clients to make like $900. So to make $900, you need only one client to close a sale of $900. I'm going to use this product as an example. Click promote, and they will tell you to copy a link. Just copy a link, and the next step which you are going to do here, come here, you need to save your affiliate link to Google Doc. Open a Google Doc and right click and paste your affiliate link there. Now we have got our affiliate link to promote. Then we need to find a way how we can promote this link. To promote this affiliate link, we need traffic. There is paid traffic and the free traffic, but right now we don't have money to spend on paid traffic like Facebook ads or Google ads or any paid platforms. We don't have that money, but we need to promote this link. Don't worry, I got your back. I'm going to show you the strategy and the way you can promote this link a lot of commissions. So the first step here which you are going to do, we need to create a content. We need to have content. So the next step here, we are going to open a new tab here to ChatGPT and listen close. I want you to pay attention to what I'm going to show you here, how AI is very powerful here. So I want you to do the exact thing which I did here, and make sure to pay close attention. Use this prompt here. Can you create for me 10 images based on make money? So ChatGPT is going to reply you something like this here. I don't know, but you'll see it when you are making it for yourself, and you are going to be replying, like you are going to have a conversation with ChatGPT so that it can give you what you really want. I guess you understand that. So you are going to be chatting with ChatGPT, but for me here, I asked ChatGPT to create for me images with text which I can promote or which I can use through Pinterest. After that, he's going to start generating you images like this. These are good images. If you can there, it's a good images to use through the Pinterest. And the next image is here. Yeah, something like that. And the next image is here. Click here where it says download. Here, download, and it's going to be downloaded into your browser. And the same thing, come and click here, download that one, and the same thing here, click here, download. So the next step which we are going to do now, we have got content that we can use. So guys, come here to Pinterest here, and if you don't have Pinterest account, I highly recommend to create Pinterest account, and if you have it, then that's good. Like there is no a lot of competition when it comes to Pinterest. So the next thing which you are going to do, come and click here, and the next step here, you can come and click here, create a pin, so where there is organic. And mind you, the method which I'm showing you here, you can use it still where you can use it on any device. So the next step here, you are going to come and click here, and you are going to open one of the images. Click there, and now we have got that one images. So we need a title here. Let's say, for example, the best way to make money online in 2025, something like that. And you have to put your own, you have to get ideas when it comes in these titles and descriptions. So if you don't have something to put here, I highly recommend to go on ChatGPT. Come back on ChatGPT here and ask ChatGPT. Let me show you here. Tell ChatGPT something like this: give me a Pinterest description based on this title here, and after that click enter. So ChatGPT is going to give you the description here. So the next step you are going to do, you are going to highlight this, right click, copy, and then come back here, right click, paste there. So the next step here is where we are going to be putting our affiliate link here. Mind you, this affiliate link is the one which is going to make us sales or to make us commissions. If you make any mistake and you put other links, you are not going to get commissions. You are not going to get any sale. So you're going to come back here where you saved your affiliate link here, and you are going to copy this link here, and you come back here. You're going to right click, paste your affiliate link there. Mind you, the best way to make this work, you need to have a landing page, and I will leave the video in the description below on how you can create a perfect landing page using system.io for free. The landing page is very good because you can even be collecting emails and you can be remarketing those emails wherever you want. The next step here which you are going to do is come on here and let's say, like for example, let's say create anything here, something like make money. Let's say like create something like that, and we need to put here tags. And remember, ChatGPT gave us tags to use, so come back here to ChatGPT and let's copy these tags here. Right click, copy. I don't know whether if I have copied it. Copy, and then go back here, Pinterest, right click, and then paste. Now we have pasted our tags here. So boom, the next step to do here is to click publish. And if you want to publish your post later, maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, maybe anytime you want, you have to click here, and then you have to set the date and the time it's on you. And after all of that, click publish, and your pin will be published in Pinterest. The tips which I'm giving you here, you need to post 3 to 5 pins every day. I repeat, you need to post 3 to 5 pins every day so that your account could reach more people. Just use the strategy which I have shown you in this video, and make sure to subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell for daily new money making videos, and click the first link in the description below to get access to get a free training on how you can make money online. And the next thing which I forgot here is, please like this video. It means a lot to me, and I highly recommend you to watch the next video which I'm going to be putting here. That one, click it and watch it because it's my recommendation. If you have any question, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will make sure to reply you. That's all.